What you want is for the people starting their career or for those who are hopeless, right? Give me you're tired, you're hungry, you're poor, right? The people that don't have a chance, you want them to be the beneficiaries. And so I think they're the ones that will embrace this, and it'll be progressive over the next 10 to 20 years.
What does ultimately the future of digital finance, where's it headed? And how do people work and transact in this future?
The one thing that we have universal consensus on is that Bitcoin is digital capital and it's a digital commodity and you can own it and hold it forever and it will be beneficial to you. And that's a solution to every family and every company on earth right now. And that's we have clarity on that. The future of digital currencies, digital tokens, and digital securities should be 80 to 90% clear once we have this digital assets framework or the Market Structure Act sometime in the next 6 to 12 months. So hopefully by the end of 2025, we have clarity from the US regulators as to what you can do, like how much utility can you put into a token, who can issue a digital security, who can issue a digital currency, how much, how much friction will there be on those things. Once we have that, then I think we can have a very interesting conversation about what the consequences or implications of that are to entrepreneurs. What's Apple going to do with digital currency and digital securities and digital tokens and digital capital in the iPhone? Like, what's Google going to do? What's Meta or Microsoft going to do? What should you do as a startup? What will the AIs be able to do? There's a lot of interesting outcomes, but we are still before we've got a gray market here, right? You don't have any legitimate path to trade, custody, or issue any of those things until the US government has codified into some code, hopefully into law, those rules. So, having said all that, what do I think will happen long term? I think we'll get that framework. And then I think the future is going to be millions and millions of digital assets moving at the speed of light. Millions of times an hour or a second. I think you're going to see profound innovation in wallets and exchanges. You're going to see AI infused. Maybe I'll have Bitcoin in an AI wallet, and the AI will basically, loan out my Bitcoin to 87,000 counterparties every second and then fetch it back and reconstitute it. Or maybe it won't, right? And then you'll see AIs capitalized on Bitcoin. Maybe you'll see an AI in cyberspace that offers legal advice to everybody in the world on it that takes Bitcoin or takes stable coin and is capitalized on Bitcoin that floats in a transnational way. Maybe you'll see tokens that offer utility that is powered by AI. You could imagine a smart contract DeFi market like a Uniswap, but there are no people. There's just an AI that's offering a trading market that floats in cyberspace, that's capitalized with Bitcoin that trades 10 million times a minute.